But Exxon Mobil was also the latest big oil company to report its earnings, and the results were surprising. Jackie DeAngelis has more.
Dow component Exxon Mobil out with its market-moving earnings report today. While earnings per share for the oil giant's fourth quarter were above street expectations, revenues were light. And amidst a backdrop of declining oil prices, analysts expressed concern.
These results were flattered by, a legal win that they had regarding Venezuela and some additional U.S. tax giveback, neither of which are true operational earnings. So we're not considering this to have been a beat from Exxon. Let's be clear, we think it's a slight miss.
In fact, fourth quarter earnings dropped more than 20% from the previous year, and many in the industry and on Wall Street are worried over capital expenditures in 2015, not just for Exxon, but for all the other oil majors as well, several of which have curtailed investment because of plummeting oil prices.
None of these companies are showing good reserves replacement, particularly in the context of the new CapEx numbers they're coming out with. We're going to see much less spending. And it's going to be difficult, I think, to avoid much higher oil prices in the future.
The company's slashing of its share buyback program in the first quarter by more than half also raised some red flags. This after Chevron said last week it was suspending its share buybacks for the year. But management tried to stay upbeat, CEO Rex Tillerson saying that the company's balanced portfolio uniquely positions it to deliver superior results throughout the commodity price cycle. Still, while oil prices have bounced a bit, traders anticipate more trouble ahead.
The market's in some sort of flux right now. It looks like there's a lot of people that think we could test $60 first before we go to 30, and that's where maybe all this volatility is coming from.
And it's not the first time that oil prices have experienced severe volatility. In 2009, prices dropped from 144 to 33, and that slide did not happen in a straight line. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.